Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can block numbers on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we're gonna open the phone app. If you have the number saved as a contact, then you need to select the contact, press on the information icon, and then over here tap on these three dots, and here you have the option to block a contact. After that you need to confirm it, and then the contact is blocked. If you had someone calling you, then you have the option to block the contact as well. In my case, I only have a private number, but you can also tap on the information about the call that was either declined or accepted, answered, and then you should be able to block the contact by going into more details over here. Now, if you have just the number, you don't have it saved as a contact, nor was it in the recents, then you can also go to the top right corner and tap on these three dots over here in contacts, and then go to settings. And then in the settings, you can go to block numbers, and here you can add a phone number that you want to block, and then press this plus button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.